Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can style the perfect magical Wonderland outfits by recreating this Hatter inspired look in DTI. If you want to know the full Hatter inspired outfits info, you can just watch this video. Now let's just get started. So first in here, for the hair, you only use these two hair. You can find this one on the masculine hair and also this one on the feminine hair. And for the color, here is the hex code that I'm using. Now let's just make the outfit. So first, I'm going to go to the men's section and put on this set in here. I'm going to make the material made, and for the color, first I'm going to change the outer with this army or this green color, and for the second one, the vest, also with the same color. And for the ruffle, I'm going to use this flower pattern. Then put on this jackets in here. It's the same green color, and don't forget to change the material into matte. Now go in here and I'm going to put on the gloves. It's short with no fur, and for the color here I'm going to use these patterns in here for the hand. Put on the socks, the high grip socks, and I'm going to change the color this here. Got to put on the hat. For the hat, use the flower patterns for the first and second preview. And for the flower in here, I'm going to use this color in here, like this. Now you can add to put on the shoes. So I'm going to wear this boots in here, first color. Wait to use this color in here and then combine it with this brown color. Now you can put on some accessory, and for the pants, I'm going to use this one and change the color into black. Then I'm going to put on this and just use the same patterns. Now I'm going to wear this bag and use this pattern. You can go now to the dressing room, and here I'm going to use this dress to it into a skirt. Change the color, first color to black, and the next one I'm going to use this, the flower patterns in here, and I'm going to use this sleeve, use the same green color. Now put on this skirt, but only use the ruffle in here so it goes into number 5, and remove the chains. Now for the color, you can combine the purple color with this pink color here. And that's it. So this will be the final look for Hatter in DTI. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.